Alright, there's a little bit of noise here, guys. Welcome to the day. I think this is 19, maybe 20, I don't know. Maybe I'll figure it out when I put this up today. Tonight, we are suggested that we go eat at Pier Pizza. We're at Manhattan Beach. There's my logo line. Hey, Bonnie. Kind of an eclectic looking place. It's a couple blocks off the beach. We're going to head down there next. Traveling yesterday, take something out of Johnny, so she needed a nap, so I played around on the internet and caught up on things, and so yeah, we're gonna be out some this evening, and I'll get some video, but we'll tell you about the pizza in just a minute. I'll get you a picture of it, at least. I don't even know what kind of beer that is. It's some kind of honey bear. And Johnny just had a glass of red wine. She ordered a steak salad, and I ordered their version of pepperoni pizza. So yeah, there's that. Alright, there's the pizza. It looks absolutely wonderful. And the steak, my God, it's hard to show on the camera how good the steak looks. So big smile here at the end, alright. Well, that's how good the pizza was. Susan suggested we come here. The plate looked like this one. I'm gonna show you how good the salad was. Jody gave me a piece of it was hanger steak on the salad. It was really good. Beer gone, wine. Oh, I think it just left. Oops. Wine gone. Only thing left is water and a part of a lemon. So, what if you're in Manhattan Beach? We definitely recommend Pier Pizza. Really, really good pizza. Good steak on the salad. Just good all the way around. Alright, if the wind noise starts going on, sorry about that. We have made it to the beach. It's the first time we have made it to a Pacific Ocean beach. It's completely different than what we're used to. You see the huge high cliffs and mountains. There's big ships out here. Manhattan Beach Pier. Lifeguards, they're like the stands you see on TV. They're not like that on the East Coast. I guess you could just drown on the East Coast, no big deal. Awesome, ain't it? You can look out here. I guess I lost Joni. Sorry. See you, Joni. Bye-bye. She got all these houses out there. I hope I've done a better job than I think I'm doing, panning and looking at stuff. It's different, but it's just incredibly beautiful. And then there's an airplane going. I don't know if you can see that way back there. Found Johnny. She's busy taking pictures of me. Take a picture. Take a picture of me. Take a picture of you. Awesome. So we'll walk out here to the end. Looks like there's like some kind of cafe or something out here. It's a concrete pier, which is unusual. Everything else that I'm used to on the East Coast is wooden. So you know, when a hurricane comes, I said wood. Wooded like a forest. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. There's some kind of cafe out here on the end, but these are, you know, bad Bad hurricanes hit the East Coast and kablammy. Bye-bye pier. It has to be a hell of a hurricane knock this one down. What a big concrete structure. There are folks out there playing some person's out there. Hey, the same things are on this side of the country though. Damn seagulls. Beach rats, damn seagulls. It's an aquarium and cafe. We're not fishing out here, but you can look at fish. That's a good one. That's a good concept. Should have worn a hoodie or something. At the last minute, I decided, you know what? It's 59. Today might be a good day to put on pants. That was a good decision. I'm here to tell you. So these are not my usual. I'm carrying on. And it looks like some kind of refinery or plant way down there. Let's go see if we can see it. Right up on the beach. Interesting. While I'm zoomed, I'll see if I can get you somehow. Look at that refinery or whatever that is down there.
But the beaches are really clean. You don't see trash.
And one thing different from an East Coast beach is, you know, you have a little bit of sand and stuff around houses. I mean, this is how many houses can we stick on top of?
It's gorgeous.
I mean, I'm not complaining, I'm just documenting the difference. There would must be 40 or 50 times the number of houses right here at the beach that you would see, you know, where we're from. And I bet they get the same price. I bet these are millions and millions plus. Sorry, I forgot I was filming. I went crazy around. I made you sick. Sorry about that. Just crazy beautiful. Alright, I'm going to restart this once I get out to the aquarium. That walking and all that stuff, where do I end up at? Damn, some things just don't change on this trip. This is the Walgreens trip. The Walgreens trip. The Walgreens trip. Okay, what do you think's in the box? Any guesses? Any guesses? Where you stopped? What was the name of the donut place?
Something in donut.
Something in donuts. We each got a maple bacon donut. I know that makes you jealous, doesn't it? It was a donut place on at Redondo Beach.
Manhattan Beach.
Manhattan Beach. And then coming in, Joni talks to everybody. But if you have a dog, Joni talks to you. This cute couple from Orange County here had 2 dachshunds that were charging their Tesla, so they were walking the dogs. And we talked to them for about 15 or 20 minutes. They were just the nicest folks. What was the dog's name? One was Cleopatra and the other?
And Indiana Bones.
Cleopatra and Indiana Bones. So they were just sitting there. They were carried on the sidewalk, and then they were staring at a cat. There's just a cat that hangs around the hotel. And they said, oh, they were paying attention to that cat. They ripped the leash out of her hand and went chasing after the cat. It was pretty funny. She called it before they did anything, but they were just 2 itty bitty dachshunds. They must have been, what, maybe 8 pounds each? Just little, about half the size of our monsters. So we're going to end this video here today. We're going to enjoy the maple bacon donuts. We'll tell you about them at breakfast tomorrow. Sorry about a short day, but days after some travel, Johnny needs a little recovery time. Tomorrow we're off to the Griffith Observatory. And where are we eating lunch?
I don't know where we're eating
brunch.
lunch.
And when brunch tomorrow?
brunch is Monday at Villa Blanca, and tomorrow we're having dinner at Sir.
So they told us to eat chicken and waffles at Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles. So that
And dessert at Porto's.
dessert at Porto's. So that's probably tomorrow. Sorry about the TV in the background. I probably should have muted that sucker, but let's see if I can't reach the mute button. Having a very nice time here. We don't do a lot of tour stuff. We just kind of chill out and hang out.
Great people.
And we've met a couple people on the pier too. I was trying to take a selfie with this camera with the two of us, and some guys walked by and said, "Hey, you mean to take the picture for you?" And so they did. And it turns out they're both misplanted Southerners, and they're a couple of nice guys. I don't know where they're. I guess they were all having guys' day because the wives were not with them. But
well, they were best friends from childhood. One was visiting the other that lives out here, and the wife had they have an 8-month-old baby.
So just nice guys. We walked down on the pier. I guess you see the video on the pier, but nice guys. So there you go. Hey, you're old enough to be their mother.
I was.
I appreciate y'all watching and just keeping up with my boring adventures. Do the YouTube stuff. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you. Peace out.